Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make corned beef bread. Where are my corned beef lovers? This recipe is all about corned beef, and if you're a corned beef lover, this is a must try recipe for you. Try this and thank me later, because it's definitely a must try recipe. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, add in flour, add in powdered milk, which is totally optional, and nutmeg. After, add in sugar, dry active yeast, and stir these ingredients together till well combined. After, create a well in the middle and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is egg, oil, and warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm. I then added in salt, but my camera didn't capture that part, so please add in salt. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used at the end of the video or in the description box below and in the comment section as well. So I mixed this to well combined until it form a dough. Once it form a dough, I knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Brush on top with oil, cover it with a cling film, and set it aside until it has doubled in size. So I placed mine in the microwave for 2 hours because it's quite cold here. If you are in a warm place, I think 1 hour should be enough. Now let's move to the filling, which is the corned beef filling. To my bowl, I added in the corned beef. I added in baked beans. So the baked beans that I use is also optional, but trust me, if you love baked beans, add it to it. I added in chopped green bell pepper, white onion, and chili flakes. I added in a pinch of salt as well and mix it together till well combined. So this is what you're looking for when mixing. Just be careful so you don't smash the baked beans. You know it's quite soft. So after the dough has doubled in size, I then deflated it and then transfer it on my wet surface. So I'll go ahead and make it in a long shape, like a sausage shape, and then divide it into smaller pieces. So I went in for 9 pieces according to my loaf pan. So you can go in for any size of your choice. Mine was around 70 to 80 grams each. Roll it in a ball shape like this. Bring one and cover the rest with a cling film or a kitchen napkin. So this is very simple. Don't roll it too thin. The thickness should be around 6 to 7 millimeters, and then pinch the edge together just like so, as demonstrated in the video. It's very simple, easy. Bring the edge together and fold it. That's all. It's easy making this, trust me. It's very easy. When done, make sure you shape it well in the round shape and add it to the rest. So you want to make sure it has doubled in size before baking. I kept mine in the oven at this time around again, and then I let it doubled in size before brushing on top with egg wash. So at this point, make sure you brush on top with an egg wash, and then bake this at 175 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes of mine, just look at it, guys. This is amazing, trust me. This will take you to heaven. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page,